Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Indian Navy's new ensign unveiled. Recently, PM Modi unveiled the Indian Navy's new ensign or flag at the commissioning of INS Vikrant in Kochi. The new naval ensign has replaced the one that carried the St. George's Cross with the Tricolour on the canton. That ensign was essentially a successor to the pre-independence ensign of the Indian Navy. It had the Red George's Cross on a white background with the Union Jack of the United Kingdom on the top left corner. Now information about the new ensign. It has the national flag on the upper canton, that is top left corner. It has a blue octagon encompassing the national emblem sitting atop an anchor. The octagonal shape represents the 8 directions, symbolizing the Navy's multi-directional reach and operational capability. The octagon with a golden double border has been inspired by the Raj Mudra or seal of the Maratha Emperor Shivaji. The anchor has been superimposed on a sheet inscribed with the Navy's motto, Sam no Varunaha in Devanagari.